Keto cheese omelet. Got cheese, eggs, and butter? Then you can whip up delicious in no time. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this cheesy keto dish never disappoints. Delight your taste buds and keep your belly full for hours. Ingredients: 1. 3 ounces butter. 2. 6 eggs. 3. 7 ounces shredded cheddar cheese. 4. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Whisk the eggs until smooth and slightly frothy. Blend in half of the shredded cheddar. Salt and pepper to taste. 2. Melt the butter in a hot frying pan. Pour in the egg mixture and let it set for a few minutes. 3. Lower the heat and continue to cook until the egg mixture is almost cooked through. Add the remaining shredded cheese. Fold and serve immediately. Tip: spice up your creation with herbs, chopped veggies, or even a side of salsa. And feel free to cook your omelet in olive oil or coconut oil for a different flavor profile.